Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use the round up and round down function. So it does not matter if a number is less than 5 or greater than 5. A round up will round up everything on the upper side. Similarly, it does not matter if the number is less than 5 or greater than 5. Round down will round everything on the lower side. So let's see the examples here. So the first number is 234.759. Round up also requires two parameters. First one is the number and the second you specify which digit you want to round to. So in this case I'm saying after the decimal one digit. Now since there is a number after 7, a round up will not see whether it's greater than 5 or less than 5. It will just increase it by 1, 234.8. You can see the next example also, like 234.739. I've used the same formula, round up d6 and 1. So 234.7, there's a 3 after 7 and yet it would round it to 234.8 because we have used the round up function. Round down on the other hand rounds on the lower side. So even a round down function requires two parameters. The first one is the number and the second one is the digit. So I say the number comma 1. So 234.7 is the first digit after the decimal. So any number after that it sees, it will ignore it. It doesn't matter whether it is greater than 5 or less than 5. So 234.759 becomes 234.7. So 234.759 or 234.739. It will be 234.7 when you round down. Moving on to the next example. This time I do round up with two digits, 234.73, and there's a 9 after that. Doesn't matter whatever the number is, it will round up. So 234.739 will become 234.74. 234.734 will also become 234.74. On the other hand, round down with two digits, 234.739 changes to 234.73 and 234.734 will change to 234.73. Next one is I'm rounding with digit 0. So I'm trying to get a whole number. So 234.739 or 234.439, both of them will be rounded off to 235 when you round up. On the other hand, a round down will just ignore whatever is there after the decimal. So 234.739 or 234.439 will be rounded down to 234. Next example. Now I'm saying round up the number and say minus one digit. So minus 1 means it will take 234 and it will try to round it to the nearest 10. So 234.739 or 236.739 we are rounding up, so it will become 240 in both the cases. Now when you round down 234.739 and 236.739, round down digit is minus 1, both of them will become 230. You are rounding to the nearest 10. Going to the next one. Now I'm rounding to minus 2 digits. So minus 2 means I'm rounding to the nearest 100 for both these examples. So in that case 234.739 and 264.739 both will become 300 since you have used round up. And when you round down 234 and 264 both will become 200. Since you have used round down, it will round down to the nearest 100. So 264 will also become 200. In these three cells there's a typing mistake. It should not be F12, 13, 14. It should be D12, D13 and D14 since we are referring to these values. So this is how you use round up and round down functions in Excel. Don't forget to check out the other video on how to use round function which does rounding based on normal math rules. So this video was useful. Thanks for watching the video.